Today we are starting a new topic, Introduction to Negative Numbers. Now before we start this, let us revise this which we have already done before, but for the ones who have forgotten, I can revise. Natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers. So when you start counting, how do you start counting? You start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So all these are called natural numbers. Okay. And what are whole numbers then? Whole numbers are the numbers which begin from 0. So in the natural numbers, 0 is not included. So 0 and then all other natural numbers are called whole numbers. So 0, 1, 2, and so on. The list is endless. It is called whole numbers. Now natural numbers are denoted by a capital N. So if we are talking about natural numbers, if I simply say a capital N or you see a capital N somewhere, it means that we are referring to natural numbers. And if you see a capital W, it means we are referring to whole numbers. Okay, so that is about these. Now, whenever we have been doing the 4 basic operations of math, that is adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, what happens? We either get an answer as a whole number or a natural number. Say for example, I multiplied 3 and 5. I will get 15. 15 is a whole number and a natural number. Say for example, I am multiplying 0 by 2. What will I get? 0 2s are 0. So 0 is a whole number. So my answer is always either a whole number or a natural number. Say for example, I am subtracting 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, what will I get? 2. 2 is again a natural number and also a whole number. But the problem will arise, say for example, I want to subtract 3 from 1. If I want to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, then I won't be able to do it. You cannot say it is 2. Okay, so we fall short. So these numbers will not help me to write the answer to this type of a question. That is why we need a new set of numbers, and those numbers are called negative numbers. Okay, so to understand the concept of numbers, first of all, there is something called a number line. Number line is not a real line. It is imaginary. Okay. So what is this number line? First of all, any line that you draw, you have to use a ruler and a pencil. Okay, but I am drawing it freehand. Now, at the middle of this imaginary number line, we have the number 0. And then as we keep going towards the right from 0, at an equal distance between them, there are different points. Okay, I'm drawing a number line. So these points, you will number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So these are all whole numbers. So from 0 onwards, we have whole numbers. From 1 onwards, they are natural numbers. Now, we are talking about negative numbers. So negative numbers means numbers which are less than 0, because sometimes answers need to be less than 0. Like in that example that I took, it was 1 minus 3. Okay, so I have only 1, but I want to take away 3 from that. Obviously, first of all, if I have to give 3 to someone, I have to give away this 1. Okay, and then I also have to borrow 2 from someone and give it to someone. Give to this person. Say for example, I have to give 3 chocolates to say Rahul. Okay. Now I have only one. So what would I do? The one that I have, I'll give it away to Rahul. So how many will I have now? I will have 0. But still Rahul is not happy because he was supposed to get 3, isn't it? So what is he going to tell me? Hey, give me 2 more. You have to give me 2 more. So then what will I do? I'll go to somebody and borrow 2 from there and I will give it to Rahul. So now because I borrowed from someone, how many did I borrow? 2. Okay. So I am running 2 short of chocolates. Means 2 more chocolates I need to return to this person from whomever I have borrowed. So the answer to this will be -2. So there arises the need for negative numbers. So negative numbers, as you can see, are numbers which are less than 0. So what happens? The number line, you need to continue here towards the left of 0. So again, at an equal distance between them, you have to write these numbers to the left of 1, to the left of 0. So how do you show them? -1, this will be -2, this will be -3, this will be -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and so on. So a number line is infinite, not only that side, but also the negative numbers are infinite. Okay? So it is called a line because a line doesn't have any end point. It is endless. Okay. Therefore, it is called a number line. It is a line which has numbers on them. Numbers are endless. So also is a line. Okay.